Hello everyone, another video how to fit laminate flooring. Back to central London. Right, this is the building where we fitting wood flooring, and we have fitted wood flooring before as well. Let's go in. And this is the jewelry shop, so it's one of the expensive places in central London. As you can see, we have started our first line of laminate flooring, and all of a sudden we had a little curved wall. So there are many ways to do the curved wall, but nice and easy and quickly done. That's the way we do. We just templated with cut wood, the same width of the laminate flooring, then we just scribe it, cut it, and fit it in. Simple. If you got your own way, you can do it that way, but this is the simple way we fitted it. So as you can see, we've fitted nearly 4 or 5 rows of laminate flooring. The curve is done. Beautiful. And this is a good laminate flooring cutter. No dust, no noise, especially in an office environment area. So you cut it beautifully, nice and clean like that, and no jigsaw is required. That's that done. There are 2-3 ways of fitting laminate flooring. Right, the curve is done. As you can see, it's siliconed and sealed. Half of the shop is done, and it's a very dark place. As you can see, long corridors, and so you can fit the laminate flooring from the width and from the length. It's up to you. However you do, you can do it yourself, and it's nice and easy. You can use a jigsaw as well to cut the laminate flooring. Right, this side is done, and let's enjoy the hyperlapse video. Right, so there are 2 ways to install laminate flooring. You can bang into the groove from the short part, or you can bang the laminate flooring plank into the groove from the length part. So as you can see, I'm doing the short part first and then the length, and then here you can see I'm doing the long part first, the length part, and then I'm doing the short part. So if you do it this way, you have to bang the short part into the groove. There you go. However way you manage it, so there are both ways doable, and you can achieve a good job. Right, okay, late afternoon, this project is done. We've done a beautiful door bar there as well, self-adhesive one, and there's a beautiful laminate flooring for this jewelry shop, and it's looking good. The client is happy and everything is done. It took us all day. The curve area is looking nice, and he's got to do some more building work, and we'll leave that to him. That's the double-sided door bar. Right, we've taken everything outside and it's dark. There you go, another quiet night in central London. Job is done, and boys have gone just to get a bottle of water. We are very thirsty, and yeah, we gotta put all the tools back in the van somehow, and we will go home soon. Thank you very much for watching our channel. Don't forget to appreciate it.